Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk a little bit about why your bread collapses after it rises during your bake. Sometimes our customers ask us why this can happen. We're going to talk through some of the reasons that can cause this. Unfortunately, for most of them, if not all of them, it is the ingredients you're using. It can be frustrating to hear that, but baking bread can be difficult, and often it's the ingredients rather than the bread maker itself that causes that. So the first thing to check is that whether your yeast is in date, it's not out of date, it's fresh, but you are using the active dry yeast. That's really important. So if you're using any other type of yeast, it's not going to work as well. So check your yeast, make sure it's fresh. Next up is actually your liquid levels. So you may find that you've added too much water to the bake, and it could just be a little bit. So just next time, try reducing the amount of water you're adding to your ingredients just a little bit to see if that makes a difference. And then lastly, it can be caused by the flour you're using. Now we have got a separate video on the importance of flour, and that can change season to season in terms of the quality of your flour, and in this case in terms of the protein levels. Low protein flour can cause the bake to collapse after it's risen. So try experimenting with different flours that have got higher protein levels, and that can help avoid this in the future. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.